Hi everybody, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mommy, and I have a great video for you today. Genius ideas for DIYing those clear ornaments that you see everywhere this time of year. I like to pick up a variety of shapes and sizes. There are these big ones, there are ones that open up down the middle, there are ones that you pop the top off and you can insert things that way, and there are fun shapes. For this first DIY, you can use a regular ball, but I decided to use this flat one, but either one will work. I took the ornament and placed it on a picture and used the ornament as a template to cut out a circle. Then you take the top off the ornament, roll up the picture, and insert it into the ball. If you can't fit your finger inside to kind of flatten it out, you can use a pencil. Then you're going to do one on the other side. You can use a different picture or you can use the same one. I use the one that I cut out as a template, trace it around, cut it out, roll it up, and insert it inside. I love how this ornament is double-sided and it's so easy to make. It makes a great keepsake. You just have to pop the lid back on and add something to hang it by. You could use a piece of twine or jute, or right here I'm using a piece of velvet ribbon, which I think gives it a nice high-end look, but it's totally up to you. This makes such a great keepsake and an excellent gift. The next DIY uses the large clear ornaments that you can find at the dollar store. I am pairing mine with a warm wishes theme. I grabbed some Christmas socks, some hot chocolate, and some toe warmers. I put all the items inside my ornament, put the top back on, which it doesn't pop on super easy. So I use tape to secure mine in place. So you might want to do that too. Then all you need to do is add a piece of twine to the top and add the tag that I designed. I'll leave a link to my Warm Wishes tag in the description below, and you can download it for free on my blog. This is a great little gift for neighbors or friends or even for Secret Santa. The next idea is so easy. I don't even think that you can call it a DIY. All you need are some clear ornaments, these tags I designed. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can download them, and a scrunchie. So you just take the top off the ornaments, insert the scrunchie into the ornament, replace the top, add a piece of twine, and attach the tag I designed that says Christmas hair don't care. And that is it for this little one. I love the idea of hanging these on a Christmas tree and having people take them as little party favors when they leave. Pretty cute, right? The next DIY is my favorite one in this video. It is really, really cute and super easy. You're going to need an ornament, some shot glasses, the little plastic solo cup ones, some tops of pop cans, and some gum or candy. So you flip the shot glass upside down and put some glue on the bottom, which is, I guess, the top now. Anyway, you can see what I'm doing. Then you take the ornament and attach it to the shot glass. You just hold it in place for a few minutes until the glue is dry. Then you grab your glue gun again and you attach the top of a pop can. Next, you take the top off the ornament and you fill it up with gumballs. If you don't want to put food inside the ornament, you can use pom-poms and it'll still be super cute. But I used gumballs for mine. Then to finish up, just put the top back on the ornament and add a hanger. I used a little piece of velvet ribbon that I had in my craft stash, but you could use a piece of twine too. Seriously, how cute is this little gumball machine ornament? Let me know in the comments, do you like this little one? If you like this video so far, give me a big thumbs up. Next up is another food ornament idea. I found these adorable little light bulb ornaments at the dollar store, and I thought they'd be really cute to fill with little treats and add a tag that says, "May your days be merry and bright." Bright, like a light bulb. Get it? I love a good pun. And if you do too, you can download these tags for free on my blog, and I will leave a link in the description below. The next DIY uses plastic ornaments to preserve keepsakes. I found this sea glass on a beach walk with my husband, and I thought it would be great to put it in an ornament so we could hang it on our tree. I filled the plastic ornament with the sea glass. I added a ribbon hanger, and that was it. I think this is a really nice way to preserve items like this. After I made the sea glass ornament, I also made these little ornaments using the hats that my boys wore in the hospital. I think they're adorable little keepsakes. I'm so happy with the way all of these plastic ornaments turned out. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And if you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.